Here we will see single inheritance in Python. In single inheritance, a derived class is derived only from a single parent class, and it allows the class to derive behavior and properties from a single base class. This enables code reusability of a parent class and adding new features to a class that makes code more readable, elegant, and less redundant. Here, class A is a base class and class B is a derived class. General syntax for defining a single inheritance is: here class defined with name, parent class name, and then parent class code block is written, then child class is defined which inherits parent class, and then child class code block is written. Here we will write a program to explain working of single inheritance in Python. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. Here we will define a class A, and inside this class we will define method display with self, and here we will print welcome. Then we will define another class B which inherits class A, and here we will define another method display1 with self. Then here first we will call the class A method. For this we will use super keyword, so super dot display, and then we will print YouTube. Then we will create object of our class B and we will call the method display1 from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will print welcome and YouTube. Here class A method display is executed. So first it will print welcome and then display1 is executed which print YouTube. Here we have created object of our second class B only. Since B inherits class A, so the class A method is executed from class B.